What's up, YouTubers? Jonny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a slow draining or clogged drain. Alright, so here's below our sink, and this is the P-trap. We're going to want to go ahead and put a bucket underneath this P-trap. Alright, so we're going to loosen this up to the left. Now some of you might have plastic fittings, so don't wrench down on these too tight. Slips up. Alright, now we'll loosen this back one up. Now once we got that back one loosened up, it should just pull right down. I checked it out and the plug is further than the P-trap, so it's got to be down here in the sewage line. So I'm just going to be using my hand auger right here. Hand auger right here. You can pick these up for about 10-20 bucks at, Harbor Freight, Home Depot, what have you. So what we're going to do is we're going to start it out. Go ahead and loosen up this screw that holds the snake in your auger. And you're going to feed it in as far as you can. Alright, now once the snake stops, you can't push it any further, go ahead and tighten this little screw. That's going to hold down the snake. Then you're going to turn this handle. That's going to help it twist that snake and get it past the kink or the curve in the plumbing. Then you're just going to keep feeding it until you get stuck again. Tighten down that screw and do it again. Now once you've run out of snake on your auger, or you think you've hit the clog, you're just going to want to go ahead and pull the snake back out. Feed it back into your auger. Now if you get stuck pulling it out, you can do the same thing, but reverse the turning, turn it counterclockwise to pull it out. And there we go. Oh, it looks like the drain was all clogged up with hair. Well, that looks like it was it. Big old hairball. Nasty. Alright, now to reassemble. Take our P-trap, slip it back on, tighten it down by hand. There we go. Take our channel locks again, give it a couple turns. There we go. Now we'll go ahead and dry off all of our fittings, run the water. Now we're going to check these fittings to see if any of them are leaking. Alright, that looks good. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me, subscribe to my channel, check my other vids out. Thanks for watching Jonny DIY, and remember, keep on doing it yourself guys. Thanks.